stalwart, most of them prescribing them according to the synthetic prescription, certain parts of Zincum, certain part of phosphorus, and go for the prescription for Zincum phos. Actually, based on the individualistic approach of homeopathy, this Zincum phos has its own certain peculiarity and symptomatology. Related to this drug, as stalwarts have good result from synthetic prescription in this remedy, so I will give you both the symptomatology upon which you can go for this way of prescription as well as this individuality of this remedy alone also. Before this, when you are going to have prescribed this remedy according to the synthetic way, so few things you have to know about the characteristic of the zinc group. So instead of prescribing direct symptomatology of the zincum, it is better to go for the symptomatology of the zinc group, and for which I would like to start from the symptoms lycopodium. So just open your Allen's keynote. If possible, you can be on camera. Dr. Ashita ji, पर्दे से बाहर आ सकते हैं आप. कितना अच्छा nice background. Are you at clinic? So Ellen, think about the opposite condition of this symptom is the characteristic zinc. You will find frigidity of leg, irritability at physical level, hyperactivity at physical level, although patient exhaust, weak, but still at physical level things are hyper, and at psychic level patient has deficit, patient has low intellectual capacity, patient has difficulty in understanding, patient has showing the features like Barita car. And this opposite condition of lycopodium is very important symptom of this zincum group, either zincum, any other combination and salts of zincum. And this picture in Zincum phos, what happened, just Dr. Rajiv, this is a type of hyperactivity of their legs, rigidity of feet, constant moving the feet, and it habits into a way of playing football. This is actually not playing football, rather it is just playing using your legs, restlessness of your leg in the form of a sort of play. Playing with hand is one of the very characteristic of which remedy?
Kali Brome.
Kali Brome, very good. It is very characteristic symptom of Kali Brome. So, as I was telling you, Dr. Rajiv, that phosphorus is very intellectual personality. Phosphorus is having a very strong tubercular features both at physical and mental level. So all the features of phosphorus is very prominent. In this case, someone told me about calcarea phos, but I prefer calcarea phos with slight dark complexion, and calcarea phos is very impatient type of personality psychology. That anxiety and impatience in case of mental retarded person is not possible mostly. So features, physical features of constitutional features of phosphorus with such a strong mental retardation, physical irritability, hyperactive, automatic invite this synthetic approach of Zincum phos. And now it is not in your Materia Medica, and so you can add this symptom, these constitutional features of phosphorus, type of mental retardation, such type of mental incapacity, such type of thinking weakness, such type of, you can say, a sort of brain fag, especially at the level of your thought, at the level of your learning. Exhaustion and brain fag is very important, and this shows the indication of Zincum phos. Calcium is for your bone, iron is for your blood, and so zinc is for your nerves. And so Zincum patient, whatever and whenever you are using, you will find you must have some weakness of nerves, easy exhaustion of nerve, easy tendency to brain fat, very easy give up to the thinking process, very easily tired up by any sort of mental activity. There is a symptom in your Materia Medica in Zincum, what is called child repeats everything said to him. What do you think in Zincum? What is the expression? What is the core behind this symptom? Why it is repeating? Is it just teasing you by repeating your question? Then what?
So it's a comprehension problem, delay.
Comprehension. What you have said, they try to confirm by saying this. Again, it is a weakness of their intellect. And by confirming this, by repeating the question, and then he will speak with some sort of hesitate sentence. If such type of constitution, this type of mental activity, in recent few years, this remedy has got very good reputation in the treatment of ADHD children. When the child is physically well developed, mentally such type of retarded behavior. And so this symptom again you can add in your Materia Medica. It is not. Now come to some important characteristics of this remedy. The individualistic feature of this remedy. And the individualistic feature of this remedy, as it is shown in different clinical provings and some proving, although it is not extensively proved, and that the most very important symptom of this remedy, one of the characteristic of this remedy, although this symptom is not a frequent symptom that you are getting in your clinic, but when you will get this symptom, think about this, and just what I am saying, this remedy will not disappoint you. And for this, what concomitant symptom I have stressed and I found it very peculiar is the patient is feeling very excited with sleeplessness, especially in the early morning. Early morning means 2 to 4 a.m. They wake up with a strong feeling of restlessness, and that restlessness is especially with their hypers, and then remains sleepless. This we have learned in one more remedy from our teachers in West Bengal, few cases, and still that symptom is not mentioned in your Materia Medica in that remedy too. And the remedy is lysine. Lysine have another this very strong feature. They will suddenly wake up at midnight or after. When you will prescribe lysine, when you will prescribe Zincum phos, when the patient slight backward mental, they are slight, you can say below, or you can say commonly कहा जाता ना भोला शरीफ type of शरीफ, lacking in the smartness that is required to deal with your society. In those type of individual, you go for this remedy. And opposite to this type of mentality, in a normal or you can say over smart type of individual, go for this lysine. अब आप बोरिक में एक ये सिम्टम देखो, एक असेसमेंट पे एक जगह लिखा हुआ है, एक बार पढ़ना बोरिक.
Zincum phos का ही सर.
हाँ, Zincum phos.
Neuralgia of head and face, lightening like pain in locomotory, ataxia, brain fat, nervousness, sexual excitement and sleeplessness.
This symptom was proved in third potency, and it was a very strong feature that some stalwarts have got, especially in the third potency. But I have not used in third potency. I have used this symptom, this remedy on this symptom, especially 1M. And this symptom I have used mostly in centesimal scale, this remedy, rather than 50 millisievert. I have not tried it in 50 millisievert because few cases have I have opportunity to treat with this. Although lysine I have used in LM and centesimal both, but this remedy I mostly used 1M in few cases with 200. तो इस सिम्टम को आप अंडरलाइन कर लो अपने मेट्रिया मेडिका. और ये एक सिम्टम है, अभी तक तो इसको पढ़ रहे थे, अभी सिम्टम का एक सिग्निफिकेंस समझ लो, इसका एक इंटेंसिटी और इसका इम्पोर्टेंस समझ लो, और स्पेशली वो टाइम याद रखना. टाइम इज वेरी दैट अर्ली मॉर्निंग आफ्टर मिडनाइट. इस सिम्टम के ऊपर यूटिलाइज. ऑल्दो आई एम शोइंग यू दिस सिम्टम इन Zincum phos, but this is the favorite symptom for some stalwarts. I'm not going to name them all, but I have learned this symptom from my teacher, Dr. Len Khan sir, and many other stalwarts have also used this symptom, although I'm not getting this symptom in Materia Medica properly. That patient will suddenly wake up at night with this sexual urge. Uncle has good searching app. He can search this symptom. This is very much clinically verified, and it is so verified that actually I need not to search this symptom, as I have seen in the hand of my guru, and so I have taken it as it is. But in mentally retarded individual, in less smarter type of individual, you can have this symptom, as I have shown you in your board. Dr. Ankur has shown you also in color, and so it is thrice proved.
The Kent may be 3 years.
Yeah,
After 3 years.
you can give liberty to the time, and the time liberty is after midnight and in very early morning, and especially 2 to 4 a.m. is one of the good indication of this. You can have this. जी एक
Yes, sir.
अब एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सिम्टम यहाँ पे आ जाओ. इसके अलावा जो क्लिनिकली डायरेक्ट जहाँ हम इसको प्रिस्क्राइब करने के लिए सोचते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ कन्वल्स एंड सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ ब्रेन, especially when the person is not able to cope up with their studies, with their office work. And mostly I found it in students. They are not even able to stand 2 to 3 hours of reading before the exam. And if he is pressurized by the family to go and prepare and read and read and read, then child develops a type of confusion. And even if he is mechanically in the process of this mental exertion and reading, then they develop a severe headache, especially in the oxygen, and that headache is described as if something is stabbing from the behind, such type of headache. And with this headache, and that symptom ke sequence important hai. Then with this persistence of this symptom, this headache, gradually they develop a heaviness on the back of the you can say cervical and shoulder part, and this somewhere it is called that it was frequently sent for cerebrospinal fluid analysis. It's supposed to be certain infection, and for this patient get slight amyloid, especially when he is, you can say, moderately very fine weather in outside, then he is feeling better. But if the air is cold, he will feel aggravation. This type of, especially in girls, is very much during, before, even after menses. And you can say around the time of menses, there is very much aggravation. This mental neurological problem, this convulsive problem, this headache problem, and at that time coping with this is much more difficult for her. He or she is very much sensitive to the cold, he or she is sensitive to the exertion, but still their relief is in a fresh, pleasant air outside without much exertion. And very frequently in this brain complaint, convulsions and headache, it is frequently required when it is associated with this menstrual concomitant as a modality. And once again I will say, in a person who is not able to cope up with the intellectual or mental, it is not very similar. It seems like picric acid. This over and excessive sexuality and sexual irritation of picric acid is absolutely lacking here. Otherwise, such symptom you will also find in case of picric acid. And if there is with this feature, all feature what I have told you, with excessive sexual, go for the prescription of zinc, and here this small remedy will be very useful. जो पार्ट है वो फीचर्स आपको यहाँ पे नहीं, हमने आपको एक बहुत पहले बेसिक वो बताया कि फिजिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ ट्यूबरकुलर डायथेसिस, but mental state is very sort of psychotic type, you can say. And the third characteristic here Again, very important symptom of phosphorus, that desire to be rubbed, and rubbing gets amyloid. Patient is not smart as phosphorus. Patient is not as calcarea carb. This constitutional feature, this mental state, and especially with पैथोलॉजी ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम। देखो फॉस्फोरस के अंदर भी बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर है दैट प्रोड्यूसेस फैटी जनरेशन ऑन द सॉफ्ट टिश्यू और स्पेशली फॉर ब्रेन एंड हार्ट। Phosphorus is one of the medicine for fatty degeneration of the brain, softening